Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Sweating is a vital cooling mechanism for humans, but do you know the science behind it? Next, remember that breaking the hydrogen bonds between water molecules requires a high heat of vaporization. This specific property ensures that a lot of heat is removed during the phase change. Finally, this phase change from liquid to gas efficiently removes excess heat from your system. That makes option B the perfect explanation for how our bodies stay cool under pressure. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid a rush and watch signs.